Hey y'all. So today I will be trying the new Crumbl cookie. Well, I can't turn this one over because the cookies that I'm trying in this one. But yeah, today I'll be trying the new Crumbl cookies of the week, which is in this box. But as you can see, I have boxes of Crumbl cookies. Today I will be trying. So I only got 3 that I'll be trying. I'll be trying the French toast. And then I'll be trying the raspberry lemonade cookie. And then I'll be trying the peanut butter, peanut butter cup brownie. And I do have my lemonade and water, because I don't know how this is going to taste. So let's see. Let's see the boxing of it. I'm trying not to turn it over, but oops. Well, y'all get the point. Y'all get it. So first, I don't know which one I want to try first. Let me try. I guess I'll try the peanut butter. This kind. Let's see. Pretty tasty. I give it a I like that one. I'll give it 10 out of 10. So now we're gonna try the French toast. I can't give y'all all the details of the cookie, but yeah, I just know it's a French toast cookie. It smells good. Let's see. And I'm a picky eater. If you know, you know. So let's see how this one tastes. I'm kind of scared. Let's see. I ain't gonna hold y'all. So far, I'm messing with it. These two, 10 out of 10, and I'm a very picky eater. Now we gotta try this raspberry. I forgot what it's called. Let's gonna try the cookie with the lemon on the top. I ain't gonna hold you. This lemon on top really threw it off for me, but we gonna see. Out of 10. The French toast, 10 out of 10. The brownie, 10 out of 10. But yeah, these were my 3 choices for this week that I tasted. And yeah, I'll do some more if y'all want me to.